Hey, guess what, man? Here's the best deli worker. And who's the greatest chef? Okay, big shaka! Welcome to the man and the pan. You know, it's New Year's, and everybody asks me, hey, how do you make those good luck New Year's soup? It's called Ozoni. I'm going to show you a real easy, quick, slam-through version where, it's so easy, any man can do it. The key to Ozoni is that you're going to make sure to make a real good luck odd number of products. It's just like when you make sushi. You put an odd number of ingredients in the sushi. And the first thing you do is you put in some chicken broth, okay? A lot of people, they can use they make their own stuff with them. That's the real way. But this is the quick slam through way, okay? Put in a can of clam, right? The juice and all, just dump them in here. A piece of chicken like this, right? Cut them up into small pieces. Chicken means you're going to be very successful. So everything you put inside the soup, it has some kind of meaning. Now, I got some shiitake over here. I had it dried up, right in about a cup of liquid. Then I get a piece of kobo, seaweed. They say you put this in for yoro kobo. You're going to be real happy. Then, the easiest way to do it is you put in some frozen vegetables. Now, everyone has a meaning. This is a hasu. You eat this so that it helps you with your vision. You can look in the future. See all the holes over there? Hasu. You got carrots, you got daikon, you got gobo, right? Now, these are all roots. Now, the roots is so important, right? Because it gives you foundation. You get grounded. All of this stuff here, it has a meaning, okay? And I mix it up, and I'll bring it to a boil. While wait for the ozoni to cook, there are many traditional foods to eat during New Year's. Here are some of the examples. Kamaboko represents the rising sun, which is a very good omen. Kuromami. In Japanese, it's mame or mamena, which means for good health. They say you need to eat the amount of beans equivalent to your age. Buri is a salted, matured hamachi. So as you go on in life, you hope to get promotion by eating buri. Kazunoko or kombu kazunoko. Kazu means number, ko means chojin. In Japanese, they believe chojin increases prosperity. Okay, it's just about there, right? Kombu is all ready, it's all cooked out like this, right? So you just take it out, put in your izuna. And last minute, you put in mochi. These are the komochi that we have here at KTA, Mountain Apple brand, okay? You kind of let it go so it kind of melts together, and when it's soft and it's ready to eat, put one mochi per bowl. There you go. Ozoni. But it look good, but let me see how it tastes. First of all, I eat the hasu, give me vision in the future. Wow! There's a takenoko, bamboo shoot. Makes you flexible. Yeah. Good for the New Year. Some chicken. Gives you success. And some carrots. Gobo. Daikon. Give me a good foundation. There you go, the soup. Ooh! You eat the mochi. Take small bite. Happy New Year! Woohoo! Awesome!